Here in Vaughan, New York region, Drone Delivery Canada is located in the Technology Hub. We're a drone technology company. We're the first in Canada to be developing a drone logistics platform. We're starting our platform in rural communities in Canada to allow government agencies, large multinationals, corporate, retailers to utilize this type of technology. It will change the way logistics works, the way people have access to goods and services, specifically in rural areas to start. And we see that eventually the technology will come closer to more urbanized areas, and it'll just change the way we function. It is a highly disruptive technology. It's a green technology. In the next 4, 5, 6 years, you'll see it as a day-to-day affair based on the way you function and live and delivering something to your household, your business. You'll see drones. And it's happening around the world. This is not something new solely for Canada. It's happening across the world in Australia, the Ukraine, Brazil. It's there, and we're just pioneering it for Canadians and making it a reality.